A real estate title problem is when you buy a piece of property and unbeknownst to you, somebody else has some sort of legal claim to that property. So it could be that things were mishandled, say in a probate estate, through a divorce, through a bankruptcy. Maybe the prior owner was sued and the creditor put an execution or an attachment on the property. So there's just something there that stands in the way of you owning the title free and clear of any other claims and being able to sell it. Most title problems arise when you go to sell the property. So what will happen is you'll buy the house, you'll have a lawyer look over everything. The lawyer, who's human, might miss something, okay? The registry of deeds who records all this stuff and indexes all of these things, they might spell somebody's name wrong or get the address wrong or something like that. So the lawyer doesn't find this problem. You close on it. Then you go to sell, and the next lawyer sees the problem. Now, I would say 9 times out of 10, the problem is really kind of meaningless. Okay, there was a foreclosure and the dates were mixed up, or documents were recorded in the wrong order, or it's just something that's really not a big deal. What'll happen, though, on occasion is lawyers will make it into a big deal. Okay, they'll scare their client to death. The bank will have a panic attack, and they'll demand that it gets fixed. In that situation, I often advise clients just sell it to the next person, because you can either spend thousands and thousands of dollars fixing a meaningless problem, or you could go to the next person, the next buyer, who has a more reasonable lawyer who doesn't care. Just he'll close on it anyway, and the title insurance, it'll just be written in as an exception to the title insurance policy. Now, every now and then, there is a significant issue with the property that you're buying. Okay, the lawyer missed something that's very significant, and you need to deal with that and fix that problem and resolve it before you're able to sell. Right? Hopefully, if you run into that sort of situation, you have title insurance, and then you could file a claim with the title insurance company, and they are supposed to step in and fix the problem or to compensate you for your loss. Right? So that's what a title problem is, and that's when it arises. It arises most typically when you go to sell the property and the next lawyer spots the issue and then wants you to fix it. If you have questions, send me an email or leave a comment below.